हाय नमस्कार, मैं पुष्पिता सावंत। मैं आज आपके लिए एक थॉट प्रोसेस लेके आई हूँ। आफ्टर होटल मैनेजमेंट व्हाट, कहाँ देश में रहें, बाहर जाएं, कहाँ जाएं, where do I earn more, is my career more better going outside the country or should I stick to my country? Well, we're going to talk about all these today in the video. We are going to talk about the different countries कि आपको कौन कौन से country में you should be applying for the visa, how do you go to these countries. So आज हमारी discussion point ये रहेगा. Okay, as I said, आप आज हमारा discussion points about the countries है. हम इंडिया में नौकरी करें या विदेश में करें, विदेश में क्यों जाएं, कौन से कंट्रीज़ में हम जाएं, हम कैसे जाएं, हम होटल मैनेजमेंट करने से पहले जाएं, होटल मैनेजमेंट करते हुए बीच में जाएं, या हाउ डू आई गो थ्रू. Okay, so today our topic is, we'll take you to a tour of the countries, which are the countries you should be going and which are the countries that is preferred. Now coming to the industry, hotel industry, I would always give a thumbs up that you've joined a very good industry. Why do I say it's a very good industry? Because maybe आपके कभी भी आपने बचपन से कभी भी आपने शायद ये सपना ना देखा हो कि मैं बड़ा होके होटल मैनेजमेंट करूँगा. मे बी नॉट, आपने यही सोचा होगा मैं पायलट बनूँगा, मैं डॉक्टर बनूँगा, मैं फैशन डिज़ाइनर बनूँगा, इंजीनियर बनाऊँगा. सो नॉट अ होटल मैनेजमेंट. बट if I differentiate between engineer or a doctor or a hotel management graduate, the options for a hotel management graduate going out of the country is much higher. The graph is much higher. You have many options open after you do a hotel management. Now hotel management, आप BSc in hotel management कर लें, आप BA in hotel management कर लें, आप VWalk in hotel management कर लें. These are the various degrees जो आपको एक hotel management college आपको देता है. आप BBA in hotel management कर लें. Now after doing all this, so we're going to talk about two countries, two set of continents that is preferred by a hotel management students. जो जहाँ आपके hotels काफ़ी हैं, where the per capita income or the average pay scale जिसको कहते हैं वो काफ़ी better है. So two countries we're going to talk about is the Gulf countries and the European countries. Now European countries we will take it a little later. Let's come to the Gulf countries. Coming to the Gulf countries, Gulf के major countries are Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Dubai, and then you have the Bahrain. That's one more very famous country that is, that invites the hotel management students. Now coming to these countries, how do you go to these countries? इसके लिए आपको आपने होटल मैनेजमेंट जब कर लिया, you can there are many easily available consultants जो आपको they send you to these countries. Going to these countries is a little cheaper than going to the European countries. Now how do we go to the European countries? We'll come later. आप consultant ले लें and take a you sit for the interviews. The consultant will arrange all your visa, the flight tickets. You have to clear the interviews before that. And obviously these countries, the average pay scale जो आपको मिल जाता है minimum is around 45,000. You have also you earn tipping. There's a high tipping. There is also something called service charge जो मिलता है, and ये सब में आपको टैक्स नहीं लगता है for the Gulf countries. Obviously in the Gulf countries, though the law may be very strict to some, obviously every country के laws तो होते ही हैं जो आपको मानना पड़ता है, but the lifestyle is very flaunting. You cannot be saying कि मैं दुबई जाऊंगा तो कमरे में बंद रह जाऊंगा, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. They enjoy a fabulous lifestyle and imagine starting off your career, you're earning something around 55 to 60, जो कि इंडिया में पॉसिबल नहीं है। चाहे आप बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ब्रांड में चले जाइए, चाहे आप बेसिक सैलरी इन अ बेस्ट हाई क्लास ब्रांड ऑफ इंडिया will not be able to afford you this kind of salary. So obviously plus जब आप in case आप इंडिया वापस आना चाहते हो, when you come back to India with a foreign experience, obviously there is quite a much of demand in your pay scale into the hotel, since you have a foreign experience. So this becomes for the Gulf. Now coming to your European countries. European countries आपका हो गया London, Scotland, UK. So now European countries has a visa system, it's quite pricier. They do not allow any consultant के through से अगर आप जाना चाहते हो. Now why I am saying this is I actually was leading a very well known hotel management institute. I was actually dealing with the students, where I used to send the students to Scotland and London. So now the best option for you to go there is take a student visa. So that means अगर आपका बिल्कुल करियर प्लान ऐसा है कि मेरे को बाहर ही करना है, यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में ही करना है, now then I would ask you to opt for a hotel management school which gives you these degrees. There are many hotel management colleges जो आपको थर्ड ईयर में स्टूडेंट वीज़ा से आपको यूरोपियन कंट्रीज भेजते हैं. That is one option, or else go through a student visa. आपकी टोटल कॉस्टिंग ऑलमोस्ट पड़ जाता है अगर आप थ्रू अ होटल मैनेजमेंट स्कूलिंग जाओ, या आप थ्रू अ वीज़ा J1 वीज़ा विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड, उसके थ्रू से भी जाओ. सो योर कॉस्टिंग विल कम टू अराउंड टेक इट टू 7.5 to 8 lakhs तक आ जाएगा. But the profit of going to a European countries is obviously the experience counts, because एक तो European countries में then there is the work schedule, there is a timing. You need to work for, like if you're going to study the third year on a student visa, so 1 year you study there and after that आपको 2 साल वहाँ पे नौकरी करने को मौका मिलता है. You get a chance to work there. So that is a very very good point to earn the money जो आपने खर्चा किया है. I'll give you an example of one of my students. The amount that he paid for his fees when he finished his 2 years of the job, he had a branded car and a house in India, and he flaunted that. So I mean, it was a very proud feeling for us as a leader, a faculty at that time. But yes, इतनी आपकी earning काफ़ी हाई कर देता है, because you have extra work hours, you have the per work hour income. You can work in the restaurants, you can work in the hotel of your choice if you want to, and the restaurants also at times pay much higher than the hotels. So this goes same with the Gulf countries also. The restaurant में कभी आपके source of income काफ़ी high होता है. Now you might be thinking कि hotel में करूँ या restaurant में करूँ. Now if you're going out of the country and if it is a 5-star restaurant and you're getting a job in a hotel, but there is a quite a high, restaurant की salary इतनी है and hotel के इतनी है, then I would say go for the money then. I mean, go for the restaurant, doesn't matter. It is a 5-star restaurant. Equally, if you are into F&B, the experience would count. And money matters. आप अगर बाहर जा ही रहे हो, you going because to earn money. So these are the 2 arenas where you can easily go after doing a hotel management. Now, आपको hotel management से आपका नहीं हुआ visa, don't get upset. get into a branded hotel which has groups outside. Like India में काफ़ी सारे hotels हैं, आप Hyatt ले लो, आप Hilton ले लो, आप Marriott ले लो. So these hotels have internal internal promotional system, or the HR is very strong in these hotels, where they allow you to give you an option of going out of the country. Now in case you have joined a brand, for example, let me take Hilton, you joined it, and you let them know that you prefer to go out of India. So yes, the HR would आपके work tenure में they come out flaunting these jobs कहाँ पे निकले हैं within the brand, within Hilton brand for example. So this helps you in going via the brand to the country. आप ब्रांड में भी हो गए and you going and working outside the country. So as you see, hotel management करके there are huge arenas. There are huge opportunity to earn money. So all the best to you. Happy earning.